Hey guys, welcome back. I hope you did really well on the quiz. If you weren't able to answer everything, that's okay. As long as you learned something, right? We build on that. So, we're going to go through the quiz now. We're going to take a step by step. I'll walk you guys through. Now, we had two things we had to do, which was firstly the line graph, and the next one was the pie graph. So, we'll do the line graph first. Now, for those of you who accidentally had your cursor in the table when you added the chart, don't worry, I'll show you guys how to fix that. All right, so we're going to select in the table like so. Then we're going to go insert, charts, line, 2D line, and then line. Okay, so now we have this. What we're going to do is we're going to delete the information inside. And what we need to do is add the savings column, okay, which is this one here, right? And then for the horizontal going across here, we're going to add the dates. All right. After that, we're going to apply trend line, which we'll get to. So firstly, let's delete the data inside this chart. You want to right click the chart, go select data, and you just want to delete the entries that are already in here. So you just go remove. Pretty easy. So now we're going to add our first series. Now our first series is going to be the savings account values. So we go add. Now the series name will be savings account. So click that. Then you want to delete this next entry, which is the default value. And we're going to select all the values in the savings account like so. Okay. Once you're happy with that, you press OK. And then we want to add our horizontal figures. Okay, so we go edit on the right side, and now we're going to add the dates. So select all of those dates like so, and press OK. Now we're happy with that. We're not adding any extra data. We're just going to press OK. And there we have it. There's our chart. So pretty easy. Hope you guys were able to follow that. Now in our lectures, we did a trend line for scatter plot. Now, this was a little bit of a curveball, but you can actually apply trend lines in line graphs as well. So pretty cool. So the way to do that is exactly the same as a scatter plot. Okay, so you want to select the line like so. And you'll know you selected the whole thing because you'll have several of these indicators showing up along the line. Then you want to right click any single one of those indicators or points, and you want to go add trend line. Like so. Now it's going to bring up the format trend line window. Okay, so we're going to do a little bit of formatting. I know I didn't ask for it, but just to go through it really quickly, we're going to select linear. Then we're going to go line color. We're going to go solid line. Let's just make it red so it's really visible. Okay. Then we're going to go line style. We're going to make this 4. Okay. Then we're going to give it a dash. Okay. So we'll go back to trend line options. So that's our trend line there. The next thing we had to do after we've inserted the trend line was to display the formula. Now that's done over, where is it? Here. Okay, so all we got to do is tick it, and that'll automatically update on our graph like so. Okay, so now we're happy with that. We press close. Let's move this formula out of the way just so we can see it a bit better. Okay, and I'm going to make it a bit larger just so we can see. Okay, and there you go. That's our first one done. Now, again, charts, guys, every time. Access labels, headings, chart titles, okay? Very important. So I've added that to the last one. So let's go through that now. We want to go layout under chart tools. We want to go access titles. Let's do the primary horizontal one first. So title below access, like so. And we're going to call this dates. Enter. Now we're going to do the vertical one. Oops, I lost it. So you want to go to layout, access titles, primary vertical access title, and then rotated title, like so. Then we want to type that in as savings. Okay, in dollars. Enter. And there we have it. There's our line graph. Pretty cool. All right, so the next thing was the pie graph. So let's bring this down a little bit. So we need to install or insert an exploded pie chart. So the way to do that is we go again to insert, charts, pie, and it'll be the second one in the list, exploded pie. Okay, so let's drag that down, make it a bit bigger. Okay, now we want to insert data, so we right click, select data. Now our values, this was another curveball. Now we've up to this point done vertical data, but you can also do horizontal data, which you'll see in a second. So our series name for this one will actually be rent, or it'll be expenses. But one thing you can do is highlight all three and it'll bring it up. Rent, internet, electricity bill. A little bit of a trick, okay? For our series value, we're going to go here. Rent, internet, and electricity bill. So we're happy with that. We're just going to press OK, like so. Now you'll notice that there's no labels, so we got to add those. We're going to go Edit, okay? Then we're going to select Rent, internet, and electricity bill. There we go. OK. And we're happy with the results, so we're going to press OK again. And there we have it. So we're not done yet. What we're going to do next is add data labels. Now to do that, we're going to click on the pie itself, right click like so, and go add data labels. Okay, so we have the values, but what we want to do is show percentage and the name itself. So to edit the data labels, we're going to select it like so. Then we're going to right click and go Format Data Labels. All right, and this will bring up the Format Data Labels window. So what we want to do is tick category name, untick value, and then tick percentage, and then press close. So we're happy with that. And there you have it. There's our chart. Now before we go, we're going to do one little trick. Okay, we're going to go and change the formatting. So we're going to select the chart, open up Design, Chart Styles, select the More button, and we're going to make it, I'm feeling in a purple mood today. Okay, and just give it a little bit of style, a little bit of grace. And we'll do that for the pie chart as well. So we're going to go Chart Tools, Design, Chart Styles, More. Okay, and we're going to give it a 3D effect in, let's say, orange. There we go. And there you have it. Your chart, your line chart or line graph, and your pie chart. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed and got a lot out of it. And I will see you next time.